Today we will discuss about data structures. What is meant by first data? Data is a simple value or set of value that is called data. The data how to store from memory, then how to access in the given memory. That is the data. Data structure means data structure is a specialized format for organizing and storing the data, or the data structure is particular way of storing and organizing data in the computer so that it can be used efficiently. That is called data structure. That's the efficient data are different kinds of data structure are suited in the different kinds of application. Then the data structure storing and retrieving can be carried out on data stored in both main memory and in secondary memory. That is called data structure. In this data structures, in a computer programming, a data structure may be selected or designed to store data for purpose of working on it with algorithm. That is called data structures algorithm. Then what are the basic terminologies in data structures available? Means first one data, second information, third data items, fourth one data elementary, and fifth one entity. First, which is my data. Data is already told you, data is a collection of values or set of values. Then information. The information is organized or classified data which some has meaningful value for the receiver. Suppose the information is processed data on this decisions and action are based on the data. That's data. Next one, data items. What are the data items? Data items is referred to a single unit of value. That means it is divided into sub items, also called as group items. Okay. For example, if an employee name may be divided into three sub items. First one item is a first name, second one item is middle name, third is a last name. That is called group item. Next, what are the elementary items? It is the elementary item is data items that are not able to divide it into sub items called data elementary item. Okay, that is the data basic terminology. Then entity. Entity means it is something that has certain attributes or properties which may be assigned the values. The values may either numerical or non-numerical value. Suppose the example means attribute. What are the attributes? Attributes is names, age, SSN, then sex. This is the ages. Then values. Value means is numerical value 34, example 35, or alphabetic order A, B, C. That is the entity of values and attributes. Next, why are going to study in data structure means in the way of data structure is stored in efficiently search and retrieval. Next, the simplest data structure is one dimensional array. It is based on linear data structure array. Then the data is stored in non-consistently in the memory may be linked by the pointers. Many algorithms have been developed for sorting of data is full, secure, and efficiently used for the data structure. Next one, it is algorithm. Algorithm is a step-by-step procedure for calculation. Next, the algorithm is an effective method expressed as a finite list of well-defined instructions for calculation a function. The functions from one state to the next is not nearly deterministic. Some algorithms incorporate random input. That is the algorithms. Next one, what is the abstract data type? That is ADT. Abstract data type is one of the data structures. The data structures are problem solving with the computer means processing in data. The process data we need to define the data types and operation into performed on the data. The data structure is store of different organization data type and the operation to be applied to data part of the idea began in abstract data type. Next one, the classification of data type. The data types are divided into two types of data structure. First one, primitive data structure. Second one, non-primitive data structure. First, preemptive data structure means preemptive data structure is a fundamental data which are supported by the programming language. So, like example, the preemptive data means it is a integer, character, and booleans. These are primitive data types. Why it is called primitive data types means it is a consist of character that can not be divided into, hence though called simple data types. That is called primitive data types. Next one, it is a non-primitive data types. It is a non-primitive data type is a data structure. Thus, data are creating a primitive data structure that is called non-primitive data structure. Example, it is a structure of processing a complex number. Next, the linked list and stacks and tree and graphs and heap sort. These are all non-primitive data structure. Why it is called non-data structure primitive means it is not a sequence order, to store the data. That is called non-linear data structure, or the data structure is said to be non-linear. Data are not arranged in the sequential order. That is a non-linear data structure. Next one, it is a non-linear data structure are divided into two types. First one, it is a linear data structure. Non-primitive data structure are two types. First one, it is a linear data structure. Second one thing is non-linear data structure. First, linear data structure is a one of example for it is a stack and queue. It is a arranging order between them. Okay, that is a non-linear data structure. It is a non-linear data structure means it is a trees and graphs. First, we got to see about linear data structure. Linear data structure is a structure of linear its arrangement of sequence or linear list. Then it is a basically of two way to represent the linear data structure. First one is a one way. It is a data structure of sequential memory allocation. That is means it is a linear relationship between the elements represented by the sequential memory location. That is a linear data structure. Then it is a another way of it is way to linear relationship between elements represented by the pointers or links. Pointer means it is the address of the another variable. This pointer used to connect, example, linked list, one list to another, one node to connect another node. That is the used for pointer. Then non-linear data structure is a non-linear data structure is a not arranged in sequence of linear. It is a some operation is the first one, insertion and deletion on data is not possible linear fashion. This data structure mainly used for present data containing hierarchical relationship between elements. That is a non-linear data structure. Example, tree and tree. Tree is a one of the hierarchical order to represent, and graph is a not hierarchical order but the arrangement of the given graph. Okay, that is a linear and non-linear data structure. Okay,